Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the 3 combo strikes in an actual self-defense. Okay, today we'll show you on how to use the 3 strikes combination of Barnes in a real fight self-defense scenario. Okay, so for our first technique, we will be using technique number 1, number 2, and number 3 strikes. Okay, so we will show you on how to use the different strikes of Arnis, or the 3 combination strikes of Arnis in a real fight scenario in the streets or wherever you are present or located that needs your skills. Okay, so for the first technique, okay, we will be using the first strike number 1, or the diagonal strikes, then the backhand strikes, then the inclined strikes. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so for our normal position, okay, so in a standard position, we will be using the first strikes combo. Okay, if our opponent is in a ready stance position, we will be striking him with his weapon with our diagonal strikes. Now, okay, we'll be using diagonal strikes to hit the weapon, then follow up with the backhand strikes, then the incline strikes. Okay, like for example, okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is option number 1. So option number 1, okay, so the ilog. Okay, so strike number 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, so another option is when an opponent strikes with a diagonal strikes in our head on strikes. Okay, so how to use the first combination in that situation? Okay, when an opponent strikes with the diagonal strikes to the head, all you have to do is to sidestep, to hit, sidestep, directly hit the opponent in his head or with his or in his arm. Okay, then followed by the backhand strikes, then our finishing strikes to the groin going to the head. Okay, so strikes 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that is the first second option. Okay, so when an opponent hit you to the head with a vertical strikes, okay, so vertical strikes, no strikes to the head. Okay, so all you have to do is to side steps, then hit his arm or his body with diagonal strikes followed by backhand strikes to his arm or to his back, then followed by the incline strikes to the head or the incline strikes to the body. Okay, so like for example, hit 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that is option number 3 for our first combination. Okay, so the next combination is the 10, 6, then 7. Okay. So, how to use this in a real fight scenario? Okay, like for example, when your opponent is at the ready stance position, all you have to do is to hit his weapon. Okay, then follow up with a collarbone strikes, then a strikes to the head. Or another option is you have to hit his hand followed by another strikes, then with a snap strikes. Okay, so that is your option number 1. Then for the option number 2, okay, if your opponent hit you with a diagonal strikes in your forehead or in your body with a diagonal strikes or strikes from his right hand, all you have to do is to, okay, like for example, strikes. Okay, so if your opponent strikes, all you have to do is to hit him to the face, then followed by a collarbone strikes, then follow up with a snap strike to the body or to the knee. Okay, so like for example, strikes 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is your another option. Okay, or your another option is when an opponent hit you with a vertical strikes, you hit. All you have to do is to hit his arm followed by circular strikes, then a snap strikes to the head. Okay, so that would be your options. Okay, so another strike is the 3, 4, then 9 strikes. Okay, 3, 4, 9. Okay, so how to use it on a fight scenario? Okay, like for example, okay, hit, then another hit to the head, then a poke to the face or a stab to the chest. Okay, like for example, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that is when your opponent is at its fighting or in its on its own guard position or ready position. But when your opponent hit you with a diagonal strikes, then your option would be the strikes. Okay, so strikes 1, then 2, and 3. Okay, so again 1, 2, and 3. Or okay, when an opponent hit you with the vertical strikes 1, okay, you can counter his hand or arm followed by an abanico strikes, then a follow-up strikes. Okay, so hit 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so another combination is the 2, 3, 6 strikes. So how to execute the 2, 3, 6 strikes? Okay, or the fourth combination, backhand strikes, then incline strikes, then circular strikes, or 1, 2, 3. Okay, so how to use that in a real fight scenario? Okay, like for example, okay, when your opponent is at ready stance, then all you have to do is to hit his weapon or hit his arm or hand, then When it is clear, then followed by an incline strikes, then a circular strike. Okay, so again, 1, 2, then 3. Okay, so when an opponent hit you with a diagonal strikes, all you have to do is to wave, hitting his face, then green strikes, then circular strikes. Okay, like example, again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then another option is when an opponent hit you with vertical strikes to the head. Okay, how to counter or use that combination? Okay, when an opponent hit you with a vertical strikes, okay, so side step to the left, then hit his arm, then he hit his head, then shoulder. Okay, so again, strikes, strikes, then strikes. Okay, so that is on how to use the 3 strikes combination in a real fight situation.
Once again, thank you. Just learn more, train hard, and live safe. More power and God bless everyone.